Hey, it's Pastor Dan from Dexter Gospel Church. Thanks for watching today's Proverbs Practical. Today's Proverb sees even more praise of those who know the ideal woman best. We're in Proverbs 31, verse 29. It says, "Many daughters have done virtuously, but thou excellest them all." So the previous verse spoke of the ideal woman's family, the people who know her best. And it says that they declare her blessed and they praise her. First her children stood up to speak, and then her husband speaks as well. It's likely that this verse here is intended to be his testimony of praise to the woman. Her husband acknowledges that there are other good women out there, that there's many daughters who have done virtuously. There's a lot of people who do a lot of things well. He doesn't elevate his wife by putting down others, but there's no one he'd rather have than her. He says she excels them all. There's no one who's done better, no one who's even done as well. Our society may honor some virtues, some that are here, some that are not here. Women may pursue many things and think they are good because of it. And there may be virtue in many things that many people pursue, many of those skills, many of those deeds. There's a lot of things that this passage doesn't include that aren't necessarily bad and that can be good. But the woman who embodies the virtues spoken of in this passage, she does better than anyone else. She becomes the ideal that others should aspire to, winning the admiration and the praise not only of strangers, but of those who know her best. This suggests to me that this passage isn't providing us with a template for a contest to see which woman is the best at doing these things, but rather it's saying that these are the best virtues to pursue, that anyone who embodies these virtues is better than people who don't, or those who pursue other virtues. It's telling us that we should choose not to compare and contrast people and try to see who's best, but rather that we should choose to pursue these virtues above any other. And knowing our tendency towards shallowness, God emphasizes once again the nature of those virtues, but we'll see that in our next video. I hope this one's a help to you. If it is, give it a like. If you haven't, subscribe to our channel. Until next time, I hope you stay well and pursue the most important virtues.